Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get free packs from the founders. This is a founders benefit pack. So let's get started by tapping store. As you can see, there are some options here from FC Point, Division Revive Live events. Welcome to FC Mobile founders and recommended. So start with this feature and this one. Founders benefit pack. You can get it for free if you have this founders token, and this can be earned from season transition to exchange for founders benefit pack. Let's see. Tap the free, and I've got tap open. I got star pass, founders logo, FC Mobile founders, and also this emoticon ball and kit and many more. So don't forget to check out your store and go to this founders benefit pack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. Enjoy the game.